guys, at the moment I'm really into doing some element inspired looks. Last week I did water, I made a ice queen. This week I'm doing fire, so I hope you enjoyed this Olympic torch fire spirit look. I also want to congratulate all the medal winners so far in the Olympics. Good job, guys! My phone overheats when I'm filming for more than 15 to 30 minutes, and that video session that gets filmed when my phone is overheated gets corrupt and I can't use it. It is so easy to forget to turn off the camera to let the phone cool when I'm into the zone to doing my makeup. Therefore, there might be some parts of this makeup that will not be in this tutorial, but I hope that won't stop you from enjoying this video. As usual, I start by outlining what I see in the reference picture onto my body. I do this to see how the lines in the picture that are 2D fit my body. I use Krylon Aqua Color in white since this is easy to remove if I do something wrong. I do not own any talent when it comes to drawing, and then I mean this very sincerely. I cannot draw anything nice even if my life depended on it. But I can, with a lot of effort and failures, recreate something half decent from a reference. Sometimes though, like now, this process can be a little messy. To get some structure in this messy outlining, I start filling the outer case of the torch with the same paint that I did the outline. The casing features 5 sprongs representing the star-shaped Korean letters used in the logo, and also aims to symbolize 5 continents coming together. The white color of the casing aims to represent the impending cold weather as well as the white porcelain produced in Korea. After the white is filled in, I start removing the wrong drawn lines, and for this I use ordinary makeup remover wipes. The next step is to give the cylinder color with the Bang Beauty Glam Cream color. It is a little bit tacky, but the color is amazing and perfect for this design. The Olympic torch referenced the heritage and culture of Korea. Designed by Korean industrial designer Kim Young-si, it features an outer white case with an inner gold cylinder, which carries the flame. While I waited for my phone to cool down, I applied a second layer of Glam Cream color. And when I was ready again to record, it was time to paint the rest of the body except my face with Grimace Aqua Color Black. While I'm working on the black color, my brain is trying to figure out how to make the torch flame. I have at this point not yet completely convinced myself that this is a good idea. I'm quite nervous about the result. Luckily, I don't have to worry too much about the flames yet, so I'm focusing on doing the stars on the cylinder. The star symbols is also repeated along the handle of the torch, and its meaning is that it represents people coming together. Halfway through the stars on the cylinder, the muscles in my wrist started to stiffen and make unbearable pain. It also got really hard to paint the small details, therefore I chose not to paint the stars on the torch handle. It took forever to paint these stars. Because I don't have any very thin brushes, I use an old liquid liner applicator that I have washed. I used the same paint that I used on my body, and I promise you, as soon as I have some extra cash, I really have to buy some thin brushes because using this applicator was not optimal. To get some dimension and 3D feeling, I used the color Chalice from the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette to put on some shadow. This torch that I am transforming myself into is supposed to be an interpretation of the one used in Pyeongchang 2018 Olympic torch relay. This is a 101-day journey to let everyone shine anytime, anywhere. The torch relay visited some of the wonderful places that had not yet been known to the world, unlocking Korea's hidden charms. While I was talking about the torch relay, I was outlining the white casing with the black aqua color from Grimace to tighten up the look. Then it's time for the flame. I think it was quite difficult to make it look nice. Painting flames is not exactly my strongest suit. I use Krylon aqua colors yellow, orange and red for the flames. And for the eyes I used yellow, orange, red and purple from the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette Brights. There is not much more to say about the flames, so lean back and be entertained by the process.